Hi, so the first thing we need to do is to take the machine off the carriage. Now before you do that, please make sure you switch the machine off, take the power lead out, and also unplug the cable for the rear encoder. Very easy otherwise to break the encoder cable or the encoder if you try to remove the machine without taking the cable out. So I've taken this Amara off. Now the Amara is a heavy machine. All the handi quilter machines are heavy, but the Amara and the Forte are very heavy. So you really need another person to help you with this, because we have to lay the machine on its side in order to put this plate on the bottom. So this is the plate that comes with the electromagnetic channel lock, and I've already fitted one on this machine here. So it's very easily fitted with 2 bolts that go into some pre-drilled holes here on the underside of the machine. It goes on the side that's opposite to the encoder, and the kit comes with a 4mm hex key that you need to fit it in place. So it's very easy. You can only fit it one way, and make sure you tighten, but don't over tighten these bolts. You don't want to strip the threads inside here. The other thing to be really careful of when you put the machine on its side like this is that we're laying it on the side where the Y encoder is. It's very, very easy to bend this encoder, particularly on the Amara and the Forte, because they're so heavy, and it's also possible to damage the encoder. So please take great care with that. I suggest you lay the machine down onto a soft surface somewhere. The other thing that can happen is that the O-ring that goes onto this encoder wheel can come off. In fact, that's exactly what happened when I took this machine off and turned it over to lay it down. This can get knocked off the encoder wheel, which means that your stitch regulation won't work. So I will need to refit that. It just pushes on before we put the machine back in place. That's the only thing that needs to be done to the underside of the machine, and now we can move on to the carriage itself.